We are South African women from Springs. We seek justice for Silas. He must come out. He's not selling the drugs.
AIE TV, African Image Expression, a leading media house that colors your event and brings life to your story. This is a place where you get raw and true stories, news and documentaries about Africa, about Nigerians in South Africa, championed by the inspiration of Nelson Chinemerem Akachukwu on stories that concern Africa.
Justice for Silas Ani.
Justice for Silas Ani.
Yeah, thank you, brothers. What we are having today, first thing first, I appreciate you for coming. Your presence gives us what we call a pressure. The justice system needs to be pressured, because when we talk about open justice, we mean that the public must witness justice and see it to be done. And that's exactly what you have been doing. You have been present, you have been available for this matter. I will take you a little bit back so that you can understand what happened today. What we had first day before Judge Adams, I will never remember the dates because there are so many dates about this case. Judge Adams removed the matter from the roll so that we can go and call Moja TV, Moja Love TV, IPIT, in order for them to speak in court. Because on that day, the police said we were not there. We hear from IPIT that it was Moja Love. So he said, let's bring Moja Love and the police again so that they can all be here when judgment is made. Then, I don't know what happened. I don't want to accuse anyone. But someone went and got a fraudulent court order. Very fraudulent court order. That court order is made on a criminal template for a civil matter. This is not a criminal matter yet. We are still on a civil matter. They got a criminal court order template which states that the matter is dismissed, whereas the matter was struck off the roll. The Judge Adams I'm referring now, he said, I don't want to close a door for this issue. It's a very big case. And he said, come back again with more parties who are involved and also bring more evidence to show that the police were there. We went. I'm saying we went, meaning all of us. There is a new video that came which shows where the police were parked and even them moving around. And we thank you for availing that video. Now we came back to court on Tuesday. You remember we're here on Tuesday. We made our case. And I'm realizing the more this case keeps going is the more I'm getting angrier even myself. We made our case. The judge said you must come today for our judgment. We did come today for our judgment. Now the judge says he's caught up, she said she's caught up in between two judgments. The first judgment is the one that says Judge Adams said the matter is dismissed. The second order, which is a variant order to that one, is the one that we did. Remember I told you that we'll get a right order, not the wrong one. You remember I told you that. And our attorneys, you must give it to Tony Okori attorneys and his team, including Brother Obina Ochena, who are working very hard on this case. They went and they got a right order, which is dated the 22nd of May, 2025. We have the order. I had it in front of myself in court. So now that order states that the matter has been struck off the roll, number one. Number two, it states that we must pay the respondent, attorney and counsel on scale B. I'm not going to go into those. Those are lawyer stuff. Leave them for now. Now, the judge was sitting with two judgments. The one that says the matter is struck off, the one that says the matter is dismissed. Now, the judge made what we call a consolidating order, judgment for both orders. The judge said we need to go back, refile for another court date, whereby we're going to explain to the court that we are going to say what did Judge Adams actually say, in order for that court to give a final order, whether the Moja Love, actually whether Minister of Police, Moja Love, and IPIT, and Kolani Kumalo, they will tell us where is Silas Ani. Now, where we are sitting now, is that we need to do our last paper filing of explaining on that day what happened, because there are two conflicting versions. But I will tell you, I was right when I argued that Judge Adams did not dismiss this matter.
Exactly.
And when they went to the office of the registrar, they played the video. I quoted him verbatim that I don't want to close a door on this matter. It's a very sensitive issue. Even today, the judge repeated the same thing. He said, I sympathize with you, I sympathize with the family, but I need to get a clarity on this matter. So what we are having now, brothers and sisters, is that we need to go refile, come back to another court, another judge to make a final order. Okay. All I can tell you is this matter is heavy. Even myself, if I was a judge, I will try everything in my power to escape making a judgment. I will. I understand the heavy burden that is on their shoulder, because it's difficult to decide this. But nonetheless, there is no way they can keep postponing making a decision. Decision has to be made. And sooner than later. Exactly. And we guarantee you it will be made sooner than later. So I appreciate your support. They asked me to say, must we still come in numbers? I said, you need to come in more numbers than this. Why must we come in more numbers than this? Because if we're not there in numbers, this matter could have been struck off the roll long time ago. But our presence in it pushes and forces, it pressures the court that they must reach a point whereby they give us a judgment to rest this matter. So thank you for today. That's what we are having. And we apologize that we could not get the final order today. It's not a problem on its own. We are still pursuing this matter. We'll be in court again. You will hear the date from your leaders. You'll hear the date from the community leaders. But sooner than later, I so pray that it be next week Thursday or that other week Tuesday, because the coming Tuesday already we are off beat. But next week Thursday we can make it, provided we are able to file everything tomorrow. Thank you.
AIE TV, an expression of African image, culture and belief.